We are pleased to show you the 2025 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.